Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to manage who can add events in a band group. If you are part of a band group and want to control event permissions, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and easy-to-follow way. First, open the Band app on your phone. Make sure you are inside the group where you want to check statistics. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you will find all the management tools for your group. Then, from the menu that appears, select Band Settings. After that, scroll through the list and click on the option labeled Who Can Add Events. Under the Event Calendar section, tap on Add Event. Here, you will see 3 different options for controlling who can add events in your group. You can select Admin Only, Admin and Co-Admin, or anyone, depending on the level of control you want. Once you select it, click on Yes to confirm your choice. This setting will be applied immediately, and members will have permissions based on your selection. This allows you to maintain better control over your group calendar and ensure events are added by the right people.